Welcome to Terminal Triage. Today, we are dealing with a head injury in the M.A.R.C.H protocol, a management plane failure. The switch might be passing data, but it is completely unresponsive to our commands. We are locked out. We start our assessment from Workstation 1. We try to ping the management IP of our core switch at 10.99.99.2. It times out. We escalate the diagnostic and attempt a direct SSH session using our admin credentials. Connection refused. Remote access is completely severed. We have to go hands-on. When the management plane goes dark, you stop relying on the network and you grab the crash cart. We run a physical console cable directly from our workstation into the back of the core switch. We open up our terminal emulation software and establish a direct serial connection to the brain. Now that we are inside, we run a show IP interface brief to check the vitals. Scrolling down to our management interface, VLAN 999, we spot the trauma. It is administratively down. Someone accidentally shut off the lights. We jump into global config, select interface VLAN 999, issue a no shut command, and immediately write the memory to save the config. We step back from the console and verify our fix over the network. From Workstation 1, we fire up the SSH command to 10.99.99.2 one more time. The switch instantly prompts us for a password. The nervous system is reconnected. Stop guessing during a blackout. Triage first, troubleshoot second.